I suppose you could say I'm caught between two worlds. This is me, Jack, standing on the veranda of my family's homestead in the heart of the Australian outback. It's the morning of my wedding and I should be over the moon. But, well, it's complicated. Kind of like trying to explain Wi-Fi to a wallaby. You see, this land, it's in my blood, but so is something else.
Remember, love, family is everything. It's what binds us to this land.
That's my mum. She means well, but she has no idea about the storm that's brewing. Emma, are you sure about this protest? Maybe we could...
It's now or never, Jack. Your family needs to understand the damage they're causing.
Big day, mate. Time to show Emma what it means to be part of this family.
And that's Uncle Bill, runs the family mining business. He has no clue that Emma's planning to turn our wedding into an environmental statement. Oh, Gran, here, let me help you with that.
Oh, thank you, dear. You know this brooch here? Your great-grandfather gave it to your great-gran on their wedding day.
As I listen to Gran's stories, I can't help but feel the weight of tradition. How can I balance my love for this family, this land, with what I know is right? It's like trying to ride two kangaroos at once, bound to end in a spectacular mess. So, here I am, pacing in my childhood bedroom like a dingo in a cage. The walls are still covered in posters of Aussie rock bands and... Yep, that's an old picture of me hugging a koala. Simpler times, mate. Em, are you absolutely sure about this protest?
It's now or never, Jack. Your family needs to understand the damage they're causing.
Right, because nothing says I do like an environmental protest. Crikey. Hey, Dad, need a hand?
Always, son. Grab those chairs, will you?
So, Dad, have you ever thought about, more sustainable practices at the mines?
We've been doing things this way for generations, Jack. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
And there it is. Trying to change Dad's mind is like trying to convince a crocodile to become a vegetarian. Mary, I didn't know you were helping out.
Wouldn't miss it, Jack. Besides, someone needs to make sure you white fellas don't muck up the welcome to country. What's on your mind, Jack? You look like you've seen a drop bear.
It's complicated, Mary. I feel like I'm being pulled in two directions.
Ah, the old dance between tradition and progress. We know it well in my community.
As Mary speaks, I feel a connection to this land that goes beyond mining rights and profit margins. It's like the earth itself is trying to tell me something. The next few hours are a whirlwind of activity. I'm trying to channel my inner ninja, subtly dropping hints about solar power and reforestation between dance lessons and hanging fairy lights. And then I see them. Emma's eco-warrior mates, looking about as comfortable as a penguin in the desert. This is it. The moment of truth is coming, ready or not. I just hope I don't end up with egg on my face. Or worse, a family feud that'd make a mob of fighting kangaroos look tame. Right, so, the big moment's here. The ceremony's about to kick off and I'm sweating like a gala in a fruit bowl. That's Uncle Roy starting the smoking ceremony. It's meant to cleanse the space of bad spirits. If only it could cleanse away the knot in my stomach. And there she is, Emma, looking like a fish out of water in her eco-friendly hemp dress. Beautiful as ever, but about as comfortable as a koala in a swimming pool.
We gather here today on the traditional lands of the Ngunnawal people.
Crikey, there's Emma's mob. They stick out like a shag on a rock. How did I ever think this would work? Oh no, that's the signal. She's going to do it. She's really going to do it. It's like watching a roo hop onto the highway. Look at them all, happier than a box of birds. They have no idea what's coming. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion, and I'm in the driver's seat. Keep it together, mate. Just keep it together. Maybe if I concentrate hard enough, I can make this all disappear. Like a magic trick. Abracadabra. No more eco-protest. Huh. Yeah, right. And maybe dingoes will start eating vegetables. Well, here we go. The moment of truth. Feels like I'm standing on the edge of Uluru, about to take a giant leap.
Jack and Emma, you may now exchange your vows.
Before we do that, I have something to say. I can't in good conscience participate in this ceremony without addressing the environmental damage caused by the family's mining operations.
Look, I know this is a shock, but maybe we're all a bit right and all a bit wrong here. Dad, Emma, everyone. We're standing on land that's been cared for by indigenous people for thousands of years. They knew how to balance progress and tradition, how to respect the land while still using its resources. I'm saying we can find a middle ground. Dad, what if we committed to more sustainable mining practices? And Emma, what if we used some of the profits to invest in renewable energy projects?
You can't be serious. We've always done things our way.
Yeah, but maybe our way needs to change. Like a kangaroo adapting its hop to new terrain.
Jack, are you sure about this? It's a big step.
I've never been more sure of anything in my life, Em. This is our chance to make a real difference.
It's not enough, Jack. The damage being done.
I know, Em, but think about it. If we can get my family to commit to change, that's a real win. It's like planting a seed. It might seem small now, but it can grow into something big.
And you really believe we can make this work?
I do, with all my heart. Together, we can create a future that honors both our values and my family's legacy.
You really believe in this, don't you, son?
I do, Dad. As much as I believe in this family, and in Emma.
Well, you've got your mother's heart and your grandfather's stubborn streak. Maybe it's time we old folks listen to the young ones for a change.
If you're really willing to make changes, maybe we can work together.
Well, I suppose an old gum tree can learn new tricks. All right, let's talk about it. After the ceremony.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. This means more than you know.
Call me Dad, Emma. After all, we're about to be family, and families face challenges together.
Well, shall we continue with the ceremony?
I reckon we shall. After all, we've got a new future to build together. Who would have thought? My wedding day turned into a bloomin' peace summit. But you know what? Maybe that's exactly what it needed to be. A new beginning for all of us. Well, who would have thought my wedding would end up uniting more than just me and Emma? It's like watching two different mobs of roos learning to hop together. Bit awkward, but they're getting there. This land, it's been here long before us, and it'll be here long after. Our job now is to make sure we leave it better than we found it. For our future,